I got vaccinated. It's 103.4. Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino and don't mind my pimple patch. But yeah, anyway, today is an exciting day and kind of a bit nervous as well since I'm getting my first dose of COVID vaccine and I'm getting the Moderna one. So my appointment is at 9:15 and it's just a drive-through vaccine area. But yeah, that's why I'm wearing a shirt so I can just remove my jacket and let them do it on my left arm. And then it's currently 7:45-ish. I woke up around 7 something. I have so many red itchy stuff on my face since there was a dog last night, and of course I couldn't stop playing with dogs even though I'm allergic to them. But yeah, I'm trying not to scratch them since it's just gonna get worse. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat and we'll get going since they said that there's a long line and there's really a long wait for it since everyone's just in their car. So hopefully everything goes on smoothly. So I'm just gonna eat soup and empanada from Cat, which is super delicious, and my mom made the soup. So here's my outfit, and of course everything's from H&M. And I don't even know if this is the same shade of black. Can you see? I feel like it's not, but whatever. And then I'm wearing my Yeezys. So let's go. I feel like this is the line already, like the red ones, since it says that it's already like heavy traffic over here. Can I get an iced chai latte? Grande.
Okay.
With pumpkin cold foam. Do you still have that?
The pumpkin cold foam? No, it'll come back next October.
What is like the similar one?
We can do like a vanilla pumpkin foam. We can add pumps to that if you like.
Okay. So they don't have my favorite pumpkin cold foam anymore since I think fall is over. That's why. So I'm playing Cup Pong with Frankie and it's the first time I lost.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Anything good afternoon?
Can I get a straw?
A straw?
Okay. Thank you. That's good. So here's the line, and as you can see, everyone's just in the car, and that's good that there are tents since it was raining and then it stopped. But I think it's gonna rain the whole day. It's already 8:28. I have a letter from my work, and then of course I have my ID to show it to them. Good morning. Yeah, we have clinical laboratory and COVID laboratory as well.
And you're working with the specimens yourself? And you have an appointment?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Forward.
This is your first COVID vaccine, right?
My second dose is after 28 days, right?
28 days, yeah. You should be, if you have the MyChart application, you should be able to schedule your next appointment today.
Okay.
So you may have a sore shoulder for the next few days. You can even experience flu-like symptoms, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Those are all common side effects. 1, 2, 3. You can take Tylenol every 6 hours if you need it. Just get some rest and drink plenty of fluids. If you have more severe symptoms like difficulty with your breathing, or you have a rash on your whole body, or you have any numbness in your body, make sure you go to the urgent care or emergency room to be seen by a doctor. Okay? You're gonna hang out with us for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
So you can just relax in your car. If you want to put your window up, that's totally fine. If you feel like you want us to check on you, you don't feel too good, just honk your horn or wave at us, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got vaccinated. So I don't know if you heard, but I have to wait for like 15 to 20 minutes here because I have to check. Hi guys, I'm finally home. It's currently 9:36. I got my vaccination card. So my next one is February 21st, so I already had my schedule done online. So yeah, I just did it earlier while I was in the car, since we have to wait like 15 to 20 minutes after we get the vaccine, since they're gonna assess if we're experiencing like side effects right after getting the vaccine. I'm feeling lightheadedness, and my left side is, well, my left arm is feeling a little sore. It's just like when you go to the gym, but that's about it. And good thing I took Biogesic, and it doesn't really hurt. Well, I can say my pain tolerance is a little high. It's like moderate to high, but it's just like regular vaccine. I feel like the flu shot is a lot thicker, like it's a lot more viscous, and I feel like it hurt more than this one. Hi guys, update. It's currently 12:01 and I think I have fever, so I'm just gonna check. Yeah, it's 101. I'm gonna take Biogesic again since I don't have Tylenol. Yeah, we got it from the Philippines, but that's all I'm feeling. Like I kind of know that I have fever because I'm feeling lightheaded and it's not normal. Hi guys, so it's currently 2:21 and I received a text saying that it's my first health check-in for the vaccine. So let's answer this one. Good. So I kind of answered it earlier and then I forgot that I have to vlog. So there. And then I have pain in the injection site. And then I had headache. That's it. So it's mild headache. And then none of the above. No. So that's it. Hi guys, so it's currently 8:11 and my pimple just popped. But anyway, I already took a bath, and earlier around the afternoon I didn't have fever anymore. But let's check again just to be sure. Okay, so my temperature now is 98.2, which is normal, and the only thing that I'm feeling right now is that my left arm really feels heavy. Hi guys, so it's currently 11:33 and I'm just using my phone so that there's a flash. And yeah, I can't sleep because my arm is still sore, like my left arm. And I can't sleep because I'm usually facing down my bed or facing my bed whenever I'm sleeping, so I can't do that because it hurts so bad. And I feel like I have fever, like it feels so hot right now, but I'm too lazy to get my thermometer. And also I'm feeling cold, like super cold. I don't know if you can tell that I'm under my blankets right now and my heater is turned on, but I still feel cold, like super cold. And I have my socks on and everything, but it still feels cold. But yeah, just an update, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I get to sleep. Okay, so I'm getting my temperature. Okay, it's 103.4, so I think I have to go and get medicine. Too lazy. So there's my heater. Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 9:20 a.m. and I already took my medicine. Wait, hold on. So let's see if I still have fever. So it's 101.7. And it's also my first day of my period, so it is not a good combination. But anyway, I think I slept around before 1 and then I woke up around 8ish. So I already had my breakfast and took my medicine. Hopefully everything goes well, and I'll update you guys again later when I'm feeling something else. So I don't have fever anymore. It's 99.4 as of 7:46 p.m. and I already took Tylenol earlier around 3 p.m. So I won't take Tylenol anymore unless I have fever again. Because it's every 6 hours. So let's see at 9 p.m. if I have fever. But hopefully there's no more because I don't really like taking medicine. But anyway, yeah, we're just gonna go to bed. But I drank coffee. And I also slept for a long time earlier this morning. Like I slept from like 11 to 3. Like I just woke up because my parents told me I have to eat. Hi guys, update before I go to sleep. So it's currently 9 p.m. right now and it's a Monday, and ever since last night and the whole day today, I didn't have any fever at all and I didn't drink any medicine, which is good. And also my left arm is not sore anymore and I can sleep on it. I was able to sleep well yesterday or last night, which is such a great thing. So I just had fever like 1.5 day, I guess. Well, almost 2 days. But that was it. And I don't know if I mentioned that I chose the Moderna vaccine. Also guys, just a reminder that not everyone has the same side effects. Some people doesn't even have any side effects, and also one of my co-workers, her side effect is just basically pain on the injection site, which is very normal when you're getting vaccinated. So don't be afraid guys. So once it's available to you guys, make sure you get vaccinated. Kahit Pfizer man yan or Moderna, but make sure you get vaccinated. Side effects are just like what, 1 to 2 days compared to the protection that it'll give. So yeah, hopefully I don't have any more side effects on my second dose, but a lot of people are saying it gets worse on the second dose, but we'll see. Hopefully not anymore. But my second dose would be February 21st, which is a Sunday. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless and stay healthy.